Hey, creators! Welcome back to 4D Dig. Accidentally deleted a CapCut project? All your hard work hours of editing completely vanished. Damn! Before you panic, I'm going to show you exactly how to recover your deleted CapCut project on Windows. Fast and easy. Don't forget to subscribe to us, and you will not miss updated videos. Let's go to the first method. Method 1. Restore lost projects in trash. CapCut keeps deleted projects in the trash folder for 30 days. So if you've deleted your project just now or a few days ago, there's still hope. So log in your account and navigate to the trash folder in the top right corner of the dashboard. All my recently deleted projects are here. Now, select the item you want to recover, select the Recover button, and you will see the item reappear in your CapCut dashboard. Method 2. Restore lost projects from Space, CapCut Cloud. My Space is a cloud-based storage feature in CapCut that requires you to log in to your account. If you've manually uploaded your projects before, you'll be able to download them anytime from the cloud, even if you deleted them locally or uninstalled CapCut. As long as you log into the same account, those uploaded projects will still be there. Now, if you haven't uploaded any projects, but you're just trying to restore a finished video, you might still get lucky. CapCut sometimes automatically uploads exported videos to My Space. So go ahead, check the space, and if you find the video you need, just click download to get it back. But if you're looking to recover a project file that was never uploaded, you'll want to try method 3. Copy the project folder to restore CapCut project. You probably didn't lose the project, it's just that CapCut didn't detect it. So it can't show the project when you open CapCut. CapCut saves each project as a folder on your computer. When you open a project, CapCut reads all the contents of the project folder. So if you ever made a backup or still have that folder on an old drive, you can just copy it back into CapCut's project directory to restore the full project. Let's start. The easiest way to find the folder location where CapCut recognizes the project folder is to open CapCut and click the gear icon in the upper right corner to open Settings. Next, go to the Save to section and click Open Folder next to it. The opening location of the CapCut project path may be different in different versions. Now you can find the original project folder you backed up and paste it here. They are usually located under a main folder with the same name as your project. If you don't know where it is, try to search for its project name in the search box in File Explorer. When you find them, you can directly copy the project main folder to the CapCut Save to location. If the project doesn't show up on CapCut, you can exit CapCut and launch it again. Then CapCut will detect the project you created and display it. If you try anything to find the original project folders but get nothing, you may erase all user data when uninstalling CapCut. Then we can move to Method 4. Method 4. Restore lost projects with 4D Dig Data Recovery Tool. 4D Dig can find any files, not just the lost projects, but also photos, videos, and documents. First, download 4D Dig and launch it. Select the disk where the project folder is lost. Click Scan. Select all types and scan. You can input your project name in the search box. When you find the project folder, remember to check if all subfolders and files are inside. Select the main project folder and click Recover. Finally, copy the project's folder and paste it into the CapCut Save to location. Return Method 2 for the details of how to copy and paste. And that's it. I hope this helped you get your CapCut project back. If you're still stuck or have questions, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Catch you in the next one.